Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Weather has been very bad recently. Very cold, rainy. I feel like drinking some nice snapper fish today. And I have already taken out the meat. Yeah, I've taken out the meat and of course cut into big chunks lah. So later we are going to use bone to make the broth. And then of course these are the meat that I cut it. Yeah, I cut it from the fish just now. And also I have some veggie here. You can put in any veggie you like. I have some Chinese cabbage, tomato, spring onion, some big chili. And I'm going to add some protein inside. Not meat, but tofu. Yeah, I'm putting in some tofu. And we will need some ginger as well. And of course, I'll be using my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. And we shall give it a little bit of oil. We're going to fry the fish bone first. So once the oil has been heated up, we can actually put in the ginger. Let's saute the ginger a little bit. Ooh, got some water from tofu just now. Once you have infused the oil with the ginger smell, we can actually put in the fish bone. And we're going to pan fry the fish bone for a couple of minutes before we go to the next step, okay? So this is after about 2 minutes on one side. I can actually, oh, we actually break. I think I will make it milky lah. Some people scolded Appa recently. He actually say, Appa, you use non-stick to pan fry fish, so you are actually cheating lah. But he doesn't understand actually non-stick also will stick if you don't do it correctly. Like today, actually, we are not eating fried fish, so I don't really care. Yeah? So I expected this to stick. See, non-stick also can stick lah. Okay, since I already breaken the bones and stuff, I think I'll probably make it into a milky soup also. Let's fry another side for another about 2 minutes, yeah, before we continue. We want to brown everything, yeah, then only the flavor will actually comes out. So this after another 2 minutes on the other side, you can see it's getting more and more char, and that is the effect that I'm actually looking for. And I'm decided I'm going to make it into a milky fish soup. Actually, it will be more tasty. So now you want to do is smash the fish. Smash it, really smash it. Last time when Appa did the milky fish soup, Appa is actually using the whole fish, meaning I did not take the meat out. But today I feel like eating some fish meat, so I have actually removed the meat. So this is whatever left together with the bone. And this is how you can create the beautiful milky effect for your fish. So now Appa changed my menu today from a clear fish soup to milky fish soup. That's the best thing about home cooking, yeah? That's the best thing about home cooking. There's no rules in Appa kitchen. So that you don't get stressed also. Some people, I find some home cooks is rather stressed about their home cooking. There's no need to be stressful. Alright, so you keep it very hot. Next thing, put in hot water. Alright. It will have a better effect if you have the whole fish lah, right? But today I feel like eating some meat, so I've removed the meat. But still, you're going to get a similar milky fish soup shortly. And we shall bring this to a boil and let it boil for about 3 to 5 minutes before we continue. Put it on medium-high fire or high fire, yeah? While waiting for it to get boiled, and this is what you need to stand by. A wok or a big bowl and a sieve, yeah? A colander, yeah? This is actually a colander. Why you need a colander? Because just now we break the fish, so there's a lot of fish bone, small fish bone inside. We need to sieve away all the fish bone. I actually put out the lid, yeah, so that it actually boils better. See, it is really boiling inside. And you know what I can smell right now? I can actually smell fried fish. That's why I want to pan fry the fish just now, yeah, to really enhance the flavor of the fish itself. You don't get this kind of aroma if you just put in the raw fish. Yeah, you actually need to fry it first. Right, this is after approximately about 4 or 5 minutes. Let me take it out. Can you see the milky fish soup? That's how simple it is to create milky fish soup in a couple of minutes. All right, so but here inside right now, there is a lot of fish bone. So we're going to use a colander to sieve out all the fish bones, yeah? Slowly pour the fish soup inside here. Okay. Then you just throw all this away. And this is our beautiful milky fish broth. Here's the wok, I already washed it. And now I'm pouring over the milky fish soup. It will be even more milkier if I keep all the whole fish inside, yeah? But never mind, it is still very beautiful. Look at this beautiful milky fish soup within few minutes, yeah? First thing, we're going to bring this to a boil. All right, if you want, you can actually remove all the... This is the oil. So if you don't want your fish soup to be too oily, just sieve out the oil. Because just now we used quite a bit of oil just to pan fry the fish, remember? Yeah? Now your fish is much more clearer. It's not so oily. Next thing, we can start throwing in the veggie, the Chinese cabbage, the tomato, the spring onion. I'll leave some spring onion towards the end. Put a little bit of chili first. The rest of the big chili I'll put it towards the end also. And I'm putting a little bit of, this is the tong choy, yeah? Just a bit, not too much, for more umami flavor. And the tofu. Don't put the fish too early. So now we are going to give it some seasoning. I'll give it some salt, some of my cooking apart chicken stock powder. You can put in some saltfish powder as well. Don't know why I couldn't find my saltfish powder today. Few dashes of my premium Vietnamese fish sauce. For those interested to get my 100% ingredient made chicken stock powder, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any Enviet restaurant in Malaysia. So let's cook this for a couple of minutes until the veggie started to soften. Then we can actually add in the fish. While waiting for the veggie to soften, we can actually prep the fish. I'm going to marinate it with a little bit of fine salt and few dashes of white pepper. Now, if you feel that you want your fish to be smooth and tender, then one more thing you can actually add, which is the starch solution and a bit of egg white. Yeah. So that thing, that two things is going to make your fish very, very super tender later. Today, Appa lazy lah. Right. So this is after approximately about 5-6 minutes. I think good enough. You can cook it for 10 minutes, up to you. Next thing, I'm going to put in the fish. But before that, I'm going to tune down to really low fire, or you can even off it, because you want to cook the fish using the residual heat of the soup itself, so that it can remain tender, yeah? And I'll top it up with a few dashes of white pepper. It's basically done. Oh, one more thing. Any fish soup is always good, recommended, for you to add some garlic oil or shallot oil, yeah? I have some garlic oil here. Fried garlic, yeah? Right, so you only need to cook the fish about less than 1 minute, then it is done. That's how simple it is to cook a very flavorful and hearty fish soup at home. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.